Today we are hopping on board with Kid Drag Champ Austin Free, an extremely talented junior dragster driver. He's been making some waves, having some awesome results. He is the son of Mr. Drag Champ himself, Gary Don Free. Amazing family, amazing brand. Make sure you guys go follow Drag Champ on all their social media. Go buy their merch, and make sure you register for Drag Champ Pro, where you can get access to their exclusive podcast that's actually ranked top 3% among all podcasts worldwide, and also be eligible to win tons and tons of weekly giveaways that can quickly pay for itself and many years of Drag Champ Pro to come. Registration for that will be opening soon. And without further ado, let's see how Austin did a few weeks ago at Houston Raceway Park.
First time trial on Saturday. The car ran a 88, which is where we wanted it to be, so we didn't touch that. And I missed the tree, but we just threw that out, and the car was set up, so we were ready for first round. First round, I ran Landon Emmons in his electric junior. I know he has a hard top end pull, so 330 I look over and he's not where he should be, because I've ran him before. I know where he should be. He wasn't there. I kicked it a bunch of times, took 2 and went 6 above. I was 006, he was 40, so I had plenty of room. Second round, I felt real good on the tree. I was 008. My guy was 42, I think. He was way out ahead. I saw him ripping it. Got to the mile-an-hour cone. I dropped, fed him 300, I think, and he broke out 87 on a 90. I went 4 above. Going to the third round, I was set up real tight on the tree like I was the previous 2 rounds with the 006 and 008. It got darker, and I knew I should have loosened up the suspension just a little bit, slow my reaction time down, and I didn't. Then I ended up turning to 13 red. So first time trial for Sunday's race, I was 14 red, which was right where I was at the night before. So we decided to loosen the suspension up a little bit and get it set up for first round. So going into first round, I thought it should be pretty close on the tree, and the car should run where I think it should. Then I was 98 on the tree, which was completely random, but I just missed it real bad. Luckily, my guy was 93 as well, so I go down there, I catch his drop and feed him 200 he breaks out with like an 84 or something. I broke out on an 86. The car picked up a lot, but we got the W, so we're going to round 2. Second round, I ran my buddy Graham. He was 70, I was 25. Went down there, it was real tight. He dropped, I dropped with him, and I ran a 91. He ran high 91, but he was 70 on the tree, so it didn't matter, and we were headed to round 3. Third round on Sunday, I ran landing M's again. We were almost even on the tree. Then I went down there, took 100th in a double breakout when I needed to get behind. Only kicked it like 3 times. Should have killed what I was holding. Car picked up, his car picked up. So that ended my weekend.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching Austin do his thing. If any of you want your own racer spotlight, feel free to send me your footage, and I'll happily make a video for you anytime. Hoping to get some footage of me racing again here shortly, so stay tuned for that. And remember to go show some love and follow all things Drag Champ. Have a great rest of your day.